Hey, this is Scott Rulon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can receive future videos. Today we're going to be talking about IQMINE Review, Scam or Legit Crypto Mining MLM. But before we go there, I just wanted to let you know I have been a professional accountant for over 33 years and have evaluated hundreds of companies in that time. And I'm certainly qualified to tell whether they are a scam or they seem a legit company. Obviously, we never know for sure, but we certainly look for certain signs on each one of these websites to see if they are legit or not. So again, IQMINE Review, legit crypto mining or scam. Welcome to my IQMINE Review. I'm not sure if you'd be interested, but there's been some buzz about this cryptocurrency MLM company, and I investigated. Chances are someone approached you online or on social media about their crypto mining passive income opportunity, and you came here to make sure it's on the up and up. What happens next is I'm going to guide you through the company, products, and compensation plans so you can make the correct decision. Just make sure you pay close attention and peruse this to the end. Pay close attention. But before we dive in, I have a most serious question for you. Do you want to know a completely legit way to make an income at home? What if you could build a passive income stream that's actually passive? An income stream that doesn't require or need being on the phone all day, wasting hours of your life, chasing down people who no-show, trading your time for money, having financial stress when you run out of money before you run out of month, or you let someone else control your fate. An income stream that brings in regular gross receipts each and every month, from a couple thousand to well over 10,000. So if you look at my site, my blog site, myfinancialfair.com, you can see a few of these testimonials there and read them for yourself and learn a little bit more about a company that actually teaches you how to build business online rather than relying on other people. An income stream that you could actually build in your spare time from full-time to part-time and grow as large or as small as you want to without having to spend hours a day chasing prospects and reciting the same humdrum talk over and over again. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, check out the new digital economy at my blog site, myfinancialfair.com. However, if you still want to know about IQMINE, keep reading here. So what is IQMINE? Let's review it a little bit. What are IQMINE limited products? How do you make money with IQMINE.cc review? What are IQMINE's investment plans? What's IQMINE's compensation plan? And indeed, what is the cost to join IQMINE? What are other IQMINE reviews saying? Does the IQMINE scam exist? And if you're tired of scams, please take a look at my #1 recommendation. So if we look here, here's the logo of IQMINE, and IQMINE claims to be a cryptocurrency mining company that also invests in blockchain products that produce passive income online. Take a look at a quote from their website. We guaranteed our clients a perspective of steady financial growth by providing stability and development of our business by recruiting a highly qualified fund management group. We allow investing with any desired amount and offer a wide range of investment plans to participate in. So here are some of the team members they put on their website: Arthur Harvey, Klaus Gunter, Peter Wedlack, Anita Ansley, Elias Anson, Matthew Morse, Thomas Peterson, Alan Lee. When doing a background check on any one of these individuals, I couldn't find any information. Guess what? These are probably just actors or pictures, and these people probably really don't exist. In fact, I could find no digital footprint, which makes no sense at all. Perhaps it does make sense if they are just faking it and want to hide behind some fake pictures. The company, however, does have a UK incorporation under the company IQMINE Limited with number 139-13763. In fact, this incorporation was done on February 14th, 2022. John Stone is purported to be the director of the company, but guess what? I couldn't find any digital footprint on him either. When I look at the address, Flat 3, 27 St. George Street, London, England, it belonged to a different company called BITC 7 Limited. Wow, that's a little scary. So when it comes to transparency, this company certainly doesn't have it. So what are IQMINE Limited products? Well, here's a copy of your website. You don't have to believe me. You could certainly go to their website and check it out here. This is exactly what it looks like. IQMINE purports to have a crypto mining services, but just like their leadership, it is elusive, just like a ghost. You can become an affiliate, however, and promote the IQMINE affiliate membership. Moreover, you can invest into the company and earn. Some other crypto MLM companies in this niche are Hyperverse and Venturo. You can certainly look them up on my website, myfinancialfair.com, to learn more about them. So, any interest in knowing how you can make money with IQMINE? IQMINE has a couple ways you can make money with the company. First way is for you to invest into the company and start receiving a guaranteed return. Second way is for you to recruit new affiliates into the company who invest and you earn a commission on their investments. So IQMINE has a few different investment plans with different payouts. We have SHA 256, eHash, Script, Equihash, Kryptonite, and X11. So you can certainly see the payouts on my website, myfinancialfair.com. And so what about in terms of compensation plan? IQMINE pays their commissions on a unilevel compensation structure that pays to 6 levels. So direct referral, personal sponsored affiliate commission rates depend on the investment package you purchased. If you purchased L1, you get 5%. If you purchased level 1 with a little bit more, you get 10%. Level 1, 15% with Script, 20% with Equihash, 25% with Kryptonite, and 30% with X11. Hey, if you want to learn how to earn $200 online from an absolutely proven method, go to my website, myfinancialfair.com, and listen to the video. So from levels 2 to 6, it's a fixed rate. On the first level, we paid 5 to 30%. Second level, 3%. Third level, 2.5%. Fourth level, 2%. Fifth level, 1.5%. And the sixth level down, you get paid 1%. So what is the cost to join IQMINE.cc? Well, guess what? The cost if you want an affiliate is actually without cost to begin. It's absolutely free, but if you want to participate in the investment opportunity, you must invest anywhere between $25 and $500,000. Wow, that's a lot of money if you come to think about it. So what are other IQMINE saying? Well, other reviews at this time are 100% biased, and most of them are affiliates with the company. There's a good reason for that as well. IQMINE has a very rich compensation structure that pays more than most of these crypto MLMs. However, when you are money driven, you forget to do the background work on the company to see if the project is even on the up and up. For example, the leadership of the company is unreal, but they want you to invest up to $500,000. That's a little scary. So does the IQmining scam exist? The question is, does it exist? Let's just look at the facts, shall we? First, we don't know who the real owners of the company or who are running it because we cannot find any evidence of them. Second, they are claiming to do crypto mining and other things to produce external revenue, but I couldn't find any proof of it. Third, if any legal company could really have the ability to produce those types of returns, they wouldn't need an affiliate program. So what I can verify is it's new investments paying off old existing members, which makes this company, it seems exactly like a Ponzi scheme. Basically, when recruitment trickles down, this company will exit scam, pull the plug or pull the rug, whichever you prefer, leaving 99.9% of the investors holding an empty bag out of the money. And guess what? There are no regulatory authorities to cry on because I don't see any registration with FEC or FRC. or any other regulatory authority. So I personally can't recommend this company, but if you actually want to learn a skill that makes you passive income, check out my #1 recommendation below. It's been in business for more than 2 years, in fact, almost 3, and I actually personally know the owner of the company. His name is Jeff, and I actually met him last August in Denver. So we can teach actual skills on how to make money online, and it's not a gimmick. So if you're tired of scams, here's my #1 recommendation. If you came to this blog, you actually want to know how to build a profitable business online, yes? This is the initial time we are ever offering a business course that helps you build any business online, including network marketing. You are going to learn exactly how to drive your ideal customer to your website, collect their emails, and convert them to buying customers without ever talking on the phone. So what happens next? Go to my blog site, myfinancialfair.com, or down to the description field below and partner with me to get more information on how you can build your own business online and not worry about these charlatans. So once you learn the skill set and the mindset, your income could indeed become limitless based on how large or small you build your business. And plus, every single person gets a one-on-one advisor to make sure everything is done properly. So here's a couple more testimonials of people that employed these strategies of building their own business. And take a look and see what they found. Very interesting, isn't it? In fact, this is ClickBanks right here. This is some different stuff with Entre. So, in fact, we have complete newbies who are just getting started making their first commission online. And then we have students that have been with us for more than a year and are crushing it. In fact, I joined the Entre program probably about 1 year and 3 months ago, and I'm starting to make money. It's a great thing. So, the digital economy is the #1 business online model. So, you can follow me on Gab, you can follow me on Facebook, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. In fact, if you go to my Facebook channel, Fun with Finances, I answer 3 simple questions, I will let you in so we can learn more about finances every week. You can follow me on Instagram, or you can follow me on Twitter, and today you can even follow me on TikTok. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I look forward to speaking with you in the future. Take care, everybody.